Hi everyone, it's Dwight Ramos here, and I'm super excited to unbox 2 new additions to my home from Hire. Let's get into it. First off, we have the all-fresh T-door refrigerator. Alright, so let's unbox it. Here we are, we got the freezer. As you can see, a lot of space. It's still brand new, so we still got a lot of these things here, but a lot of space just to keep all my frozen foods fresh. Now we got the refrigerator. Very spacious. You got all the compartments again. Bottom part. A lot of space just to keep all the food really fresh. Now we have the Color AI front load washing machine. It's brand new with Hire, and I'm excited to unbox this one because I've been needing a new washing machine. Nice design, perfect size. Nice and sleek, looks good. So now this is my favorite part of the washing machine. They got a new bigger drum here, so it fits 11 kilograms of my own laundry, so you can fit all my dirty jerseys. I can throw them in all there at once. And it has an AI feature, so you can connect to your phone, so I can just throw it in there and leave and go to the gym. So that's it, everybody. Remember, with Hire, you can create endless possibilities.